Class 12 Mathematics, NCERT, New Delhi and COHSEM, Manipur. Unit 3 Calculus. Topic Integrals. Subtopic Definite integral is a limit of a sum. Exercise 7.8. Definite integral is limit of a sum. Divide the interval closed interval AB into n equal subintervals denoted by x0, x1, x2, x3, xr, xr plus 1, x of n minus 1, xn, where x0 is equal to a, x1 is a plus ice, x2 is a plus twice ice, xr is a plus r ice, and xn equal to b, which is equal to a plus of n ice. We note that as n tends to infinity, that is number of subdivision is large, ice tends to 0, that is width of the interval tends to 0. We have integral of f of x dx between a to b is equal to limit of ice tends to 0 of f of a plus ice f plus f of a plus twice ice plus f of a plus n ice, where n ice is b minus a, as in this picture. Ahanbada ice ka f of a plus ice ka di sigi rectangle sigi area sibu khangnai, sigi rectangle gi area si f sidagina sibo ki awangba asi f of a plus ice na khangnagani. f of a plus ice na maha kerapasi a ni. Asumna value putokani rectangle mayam sigi sum ni. Masida ice tends to 0, ice na 0 sangjala number of subdivision is large ni. Or integral of f of x between a to b with respect to dx is equal to this: f of a plus ice plus f of a plus of n minus 1 ice n ice tends to b minus a. Ahan bagisina areas of outer rectangles sing semba, akon bagisina inner rectangles sing semba, inner rectangles sing semba. Sidagina sigi rectangle erona saliba rectangle inner rectangle sigi area asidi length into breadth ni, length to the a dagina sigi point si pawani, that is denoted by f of a na, aduga magi y to distance of the ice na purigani. Ani suba inner rectangle sigi area so sidagina sibo ki awang ba asidi f of a plus ice na kanagan breadth to the ice adum orani. Adu di length into breadth mayam ice to the breadth to the ice to the kamal lokhoki bani. Mathakisina outer rectangle na semba, makagisina inner rectangle na semba. Kariguma function namagi sina the area of the region bounded by this curve. Curve asina koisi liver result sigi area asinima na piribasi. Curve asiga ordinate at x equal to a ga, ordinate at x equal to b ga, x axis ka. Exercise 7.8. Evaluate the following definite integrals as the sum. Makagi definite integral asi evaluate toksi. The definite integral is the sum of areas have to palaga. Here f of x is x ni, and upper limit lower limit is denoted by a, which is also given as a. Upper limit is denoted by generally b, which is also given as b. Therefore f of a plus r is x is replaced by a plus r is, therefore in the right side which is also a plus r is, and n is whose difference is b minus a, which is also b minus a. Therefore given definite integral equal to, using this formula we get f of a plus is the r 1 pisilo r 1 pisilo the a plus is pange, f of a plus twice the r 2 pisilo ga pange, asumna r n pisilo we get a plus n is pange manung the n terms lay, n terms is n terms like added to n a. Adu is yaw terms sing asidi second term putting work sing se bracket yaw second term putting work sing je is yaw is ka malok thokadi 1 2 up to n bogi addition lady. Mapani ice na manung da pusingaro n ice. Aduga ice na puri the ice square. This is the sum of the past n natural numbers whose value is n times of n plus 1 by 2. Manungi expression na si in terms of n ice the low in a pungok lasi. N ice the kaya gamana hore constant b minus a gamana hore. n ice khudingmak b minus n loina sindokrasi ice farak taba lehore hojik limit lauselasi limit ice tends to 0 ni ice khudingmak 0 pisilo 0 pisilo badi we get this masi evaluate tawrabadi koina b square minus a square by 2 masina definite integral sigi putokadaba value adone asumna question number 2 gi su let us see yengsi to sisu linear here f of x is x plus 1 and lower limit is 0 upper limit whose value is 5 therefore f of a plus r is 0 or f of r is to the r is the f of x the x plus 1 or f of r is ki the r is plus 1 or an n is the b minus a and pire 5 minus 0 to 5 ready. Therefore the value of this definite integral the panjalabadi limit is tends to 0 of f of is plus f of 2 is up to f of n is f of is the is plus 1 appear f of 2 is the 2 is plus 1 appear f of n is the n is plus 1 appear first bracketed ki first term khudingmak is loni yawi is singdo aikoina common log thodi 1 plus 2 plus n leure 1 si n times like added toxilo the n times so 1 mapan gi is na manung do purisilo is square sum of the first n is number gi value silere is to next the purisilo the n is manung gi n is khudingmak n is the loina phongdok lasi n is the kaya ga mana hawi constant 5 ka mana hawi n is khudingmak 5 ni sinjalabari si phange hojik I tends to limit I tends to 0 oirabanina I to 0 pisilo limit value phange masi evaluate torabadi 35 by 2 phange definite integral ki value se 35 by 2 ne assume number 3 asi susina quadratic ni here f of x is x square b is given as 3 a is given as 2 therefore f of a plus r is f of a की value the 2 plus r is the x square का the 2 plus r is the 2 plus r is whole square and n is the b minus n 3 minus 2 the 1 tare therefore given definite integral equal to limit of is f of 2 plus is plus f of 2 plus twice is plus up to f of 2 plus n is tends to 0 respective value pisalachi to r 1 pisal si phange adu disida 1 pisal si phange r 2 pisal gana si value tare si 2 pisal di silari r n pisal this n pisal we get this masig expansion da aikoina 2 square n times like phangani adu twice of sig twice of a b gi formula paladi 4 is common log to 1 plus 2 le horani next sig square the I square log to sig square the I square log to sig square the I square log to si phange asumna aikoi mapan gi ice to manung do purisilo matung 4 n is phange the 4 ice square sum of the first n is number the si phange so ice to next the purisilo the ice cube lady sum of the squares of first n is number the n plus 1 times of twice n plus 1 by 6 phange manung gi n ice khuding mak to 4 pitokrasi n ice khuding mak to 1 pitokrabadi we get this is n ice khuding mak to 1 pitokrasi is when n ice the phone over matung number 1 pisilabadi we get this masi phange hojik limit lokselasi ice khuding mak to 0 pisilo 0 pisiladi we get this number si phange masi di 19 by 3 masina definite integral sigi putokadaba value adon evaluate the following definite integrals as the sum number 4 here f of x is x square minus x lower limit is 1 upper limit is given as 4 therefore f of a plus r is replaced by 1 therefore f of 1 plus r is whose value is 1 plus r is whole square minus 1 plus r is expanding we get first 3 term for second term we get this cancelling we get this and the end of ice is b minus a that is 4 minus 1 that is 3 therefore given definite integral is converted into limit of ice f of 1 plus ice plus f of 1 plus twice ice plus dot plus f of 1 plus n ice tends to 0 and whose value is r the 1 facility we get this r the 2 facility we get this r the n facility we get this masida ice to manungda ice first time sing asigi loinamak ice kama lokthokra ama mapan gi ice to thajalo ice square times of 1 plus 2 plus up to n asumna plus ice square dagi ice square ka second term sing asidigi ice square common logthokrasi mapangi pupuri silakpa ice to the ice cube times of 1 square plus 2 square plus dot dot n square. Sum of the past n natural number is related. Sum of the cubes of past. Sum of the squares of past n natural number is related. Manung si n ice the loy na pongdok lasi. N ice ti kaya ga mana hui 3. N ice kuding mark 3 pichil lo. Ice PR n ice paba mapung PR paba ngamdaba sing adu di lemhore. Now ice the limit log sala the ice the 0 pichil lo. We get 27 by 2. Machine definite integral sigi value ni. Sub manana mo question number 5 exponential function je pangthok se. Here f of x is e to the power x and a lower limit is -1, upper limit is 1. Therefore f of a plus r is f of -1 plus r whose value is equal to e to the power -1 plus r and is b minus a and b is 1, a is -1, we get 2. Therefore given definite integral is converted in this formula whose value is r1 pisolo we get this, r2 pisolo we get this, rn pisolo we get this. Tang kuding magtagi e to the power -1 kamalok thokrase ita dudi asile hore masi di sum amuk panchalase gp lare sinesti yale e to the power is mana thangnabi yale e to the power is whose first term is e to the power is and the common ratio is also e to the power is formula se pale gp gi amuk standard result of phongdoklas e to the power is limit loba yare adun e to the power is sigi is sesmai makara kongkrasi asumna idasi is by e to the power is -1 n is to the kayaga mana hawi 2 ga mana hawi asumna limit log silabadi is tam yaw tam sing 0 pisilo and whose limit is standard result ni 1 lere sigi lere simplify to robadi we get e minus e to the power -1 phange. Evaluate the following definite integrals as the sum. Sigisu sum putoksi. Here f of x is this, a is 0, b is 4. Therefore f of a plus r is there is a is 0. Therefore f of r is whose value is r is plus e to the power twice of r is. N is given by b minus a which is 4 minus 0 the 4 phange. Therefore given definite integral is converted into in terms of f of x. I can assume no pongdo ani. Sigi value the r1 pisolo we get this, r2 pisolo we get this, rn pisolo we get this. Term singa se ice manung the thangsing krasi. First term singa se ice common yawe, ice common lotokadi we get 1 plus 2 plus up to n. Second term singa se the common lotokaya yaw dre hosik masi su gp the lere. Sum to n terms of gp ke palo e to the power twice is na pass function oiro. Common ratios e to the power twice is no ore. Common is r to the power n formula r the n power karo. The power ka the power puri nare asun n is the loy na pungdoi n is the kaya ga mana hui 4 ga mana hui n is kudimo 4 pisil lo hojik limit log sil se sigisu twice is by silere aduna logji akoi is the 0 pisil adi we get this simplifying tawraga khona si phange machine putokada ba definite integral gi value done. Thank you for watching video.